Here we have a '07 Bluebird, All-American forward engine, All-American FE, 2007 model. Here's the interior. A little bit crowded. It's all right. Okay. Got your engine underneath there, doghouse. Got your door switch, driver AC and heat. Got your shifter. Got your tachometer, your fuel gauge, all that stuff. Cruise control, cruise set. Got your panel dimmer and your light switches. You have your domes here, all your domes, your lamps. You have your switch here for your master flasher, your wiper switches, your radio and fan switch here, your fan, your strobe light, your mirror defrosters. Got your heaters here and your booster pump. There's your information up top, body fluid cleanup kit, all that stuff. Your interior of the bus. You have emergency roof hatches up top, 2 of them, one in the front, one in the rear. You have an emergency exit, emergency door in the rear. This again, '07 Bluebird, All-American FE.